Ever thought parrots just love crackers? Let's uncover the colorful truth about their diet. Parrots aren't just seed munchers, they're omnivores embracing a varied diet. They don't live on seeds alone. This limited diet can actually harm their health. In the wild, parrots feast on nuts, leaves, flowers, and even insects. Parrots eating meat? Unthinkable. Yet they do indulge in insects for protein. Balanced diets are vital. Captive parrots thrive on a mix of fruits, veggies, and protein. Parrots' omnivorous nature means they enjoy a diet as vibrant as their feathers.